What's up YouTube? Show me how here, back with another video. So first you want to click Windows plus R. This should pop up. Type in clean MGR. Now once you do that, this should pop up. Now from here you want to check all these boxes. Get rid of the thumbnails, recycle bin. This is just junk folders, get rid of it all. Are you sure you want to permanently delete? Yes. So once this is done, once that's finished, you want to go to your settings, your storage settings, and you want to enable storage sense. This will automatically remove empty files as well as temporary files. Once you turn that on, you want to click this and you want to click run storage sense now, and you could make it to where it frees up disk space during set intervals. So 30 days is it for me. I've already clicked this, but it will work for you guys. Now another way to clean up storage, type in Windows plus R. Now type in appwiz.cpl, and lowercase. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to delete any apps that you no longer need. Get rid of them. This will also free up space. Just look for apps that you no longer use or you no longer prioritize and just get rid of them. Now on to one of the most efficient methods. Once again, click Windows plus R. Now you want to get rid of your temp files, your temporary files. Now from here you want to delete everything in this folder. Here we go. Delete everything from this folder. Some things you won't be able to do, so just skip it. That's one of the most efficient ways to clear up storage. My apologies. Now what you want to do now, once again, Windows plus R. Now type in prefetch. Now from here, same thing that you did in Sent. Delete all the files in there except the ones that are currently being used. Now last but not least, right click the recycle bin and empty it out. This will permanently delete all items and permanently free up storage. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more tutorials, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment. If you have any tutorials that you specifically want me to do, be sure to leave a comment and let me know. Peace out.